The toolbar at the top of the screen is your entry point to all the tools and data available in XENITH. Clicking the icon in the upper left opens the XENITH menu. From here you can access apps, explore the XENITH cloud, or set your user preferences. Use the icons on the right to get quick access to your favorites and alerts. Click on the briefcase icon to view documents and other news items that you have stored. Items in your briefcase will automatically synchronize wherever you log on to XENITH. Your workspaces are also attached to the menu bar in the form of tabs. When you click on these tabs, you can switch between your workspaces. You can click again on a tab to minimize that workspace or restore it back onto the screen. Real-time price data for the most recently used instrument will display in the active symbol area. All apps launch populated with the active symbol. Simply typing chart in the command line will open a chart application with the active symbol. Selecting an app from the menu will do the same. The dashboard is kind of a quick way to see how your connection status is. It's basically very useful for support information, how you're connected to the server, whether there's updates available, as well as your user account details.